engaki yeme chande menge yobotaka obwera buri ubotaka ambore lakini bwari ngo botaka obwera inse kigima ubotaka bwari ngo boigoro cyako gara ogina kwane enyumba na roje na tanga ndakorora kyara anyiboiro mwaka 1962 noro mwaka wanu bokoiborwa lakini asine kerong koi burundo mokango tira enyomba nigo twango tweru sana tugo tweruwa yande yaringi sasati wana nyere mburege ntogo tubuni yakwengenjega ntubwa tyo marembe twa lihuwa ba mama akora talihuwa osiare ari sia garia ekara twa racha bono yango kanisa la makuti Omo pastor ndaga tumugocho kukumo na choice bosire nere tugakora nera mabuo tugakora emeremeje mburego tutwira mambi nkuko kurwaje nagenda na rutembo ile tureri na rutembo to kabisa gari mburego tu.
Je, una wapendwa walio nje ya nchi na wangependa kukuzawadi kwa kukutumia hela? Pata hela mara moja kwenye simu yako kwa kuwashauri kutuma kupitia TapTapSend, ambapo watapata $20 wanapotuma zaidi ya $50 kwa mara ya kwanza kupitia TapTapSend wakitumia promo code NdiziTV. Download TapTapSend kutoka Google Play au App Store. TapTapSend, send more, spend less.
NdiziTV, ubwansu bw'omuguzi.
Waire biyo mwanchu muri butasene kyandize TV ninde no kwegena unari tukuriao mbuyari gendrete kwaira ereteria nedori kaske mumana ni gogo kwarigania twemanye amangana magia senchira yowenge bunabire kawate kana ni gotora chukubwatana na nere Lydia Mose oyo kumanya gwetira senchira yemanyerio nere Petra Mukeira okwana kibuna marugene chibicha wekire asenchira yowekirano kukunyoria na bogo tubwate gwetira senchira yemechanda asensemo ya Facebook otumina NdiziTV News Digital kwikagari YouTube notribna NdiziTV News na boigo ase website notribna www.ndizitv.net. Na kwariganirie tunyamanye boikirano Chiklin officer kurasa chinyagitari chia serikali kurasa rogongorwa Nyanza litukoria rero nigo bakora gusangirikana nabo igukorobekana asomo chobosongo meye county ya Kisii ase baba bakuboria serikali kwenekinga ngo igwo bari ebirero byabona gwikirania amanganio abo ase yigani gachire mega yabakori emirimo be serikali anene ase Chiklin officer abo bare asense moyo bachenu babaire bako gendra no mugirobo asegeka kya matuko 59 ayibono babaire bakobera ase chinkashabo gose batanya wikirana ase emiremo yabo anena ase chinsemecho chinyagitari echo bono batenelite ase bono bagendaire korera serikali na koria irabunati bago chiwancha koirana ase emiremo yabo wike serikali yaigure kerero kyabona baigwikirania amaganio arionsi baganeti egati yabo okomentwa kwa engeria asibari.
Tangia mwaka 2017 tulianza kuongea masuala ya CBA, ile collective bargaining agreement. Mpaka leo hii hatujaweza kutamatisha tatizo, sababu ni kwamba serikali imesusia na haitaki kutekeleza. Na haya mambo yote ni yale ambayo yapo kisheria na wanakataa kutimiza sheria. Tunashangaa sisi tuna nchi gani ambayo viongozi hawataki kutimiza sheria lakini wanataka wale ambaye ni wafanyakazi watimize? Basi tunasema kwamba mgomo huu ni kwa ajili ya kutimiza na kufuata sheria zile tulizoweka nchini.
Na tunasema kuwa ukiangalia tu vizuri hizi hospitali zote za Kenya hapa Nyanza hizi county 6 hakuna kazi inaendelea kwa sababu hakuna operation inafanywa, hakuna kitu chochote kinaendelea pale outpatient, pale kwenye theater hakuna kitu inafanyika kwa sababu wao madaktari ambao wanapeana usingizi ni watu wetu 95%. Na tunasema hata kama wanakimbia wanaenda iti, wanakimbia wanaenda WHO huko Geneva, bado watarudi watatupata. Tunaendelea na huu mgomo wetu utaendelea na tubanduki, na ndio tumeanza kwa sababu historia imefanyika hapa Kenya. Ni mgomo wetu pekee ambao ni halali hapa duniani. Hakuna mgomo yoyote ambayo imewahi kuwa halali hapa duniani isipokuwa mgomo wa maafisa tabibu.
Maiga yo MCA we wodi ya Bweka Richmond Manandi kubeka engana ase bunge ye county ya Kisii goro ku mwaka isiko onere omotenerie bwensemo ya administration Dr. Alfred Ndemo asekeria akageirego togonyorikana na mamocho yo botumeki obobe obisi ni gobono ababunge emerongo na batatu ose aba MCA merongene na batatu bagete ekura yo gotamorusia abisi ase emeronge bere na batatu ba mwakirete bagete ekura yo kumurusia abisi korengana no mukonye wo monogeri Jacob Bagaka aniga tebebna ni gondemo aratigare gukora emirimo yaye imenye county ya Kisii.
Who is the minister that is for public participation? Dr. Ndemo is also my good friend. But when it comes, Honorable Speaker, when it comes to the rule of law, it cuts across. Whether you are my brother, whether you are my mother, I don't care.
Honorable members, on the question of the removal from office of the County Executive Committee member, CECM, Public Service, County Administration, Public Participation, and Office of the Governor, Dr. Alfred Ndemo Ongera, the votes are as follows. Yes, 24, no, 43, abstain, 1, spoiled, 1. Honorable members, Section 40, Section 6 of the County Government Act states that if a resolution and subsection 5B is supported by the members in the Assembly, the Speaker of the County Assembly shall promptly deliver the resolution to the Governor, and the Governor shall dismiss the County Executive Committee member. I need to read it. Honorable members, Section 40, subsection 6 of the County Government Act states that if a resolution and section 5(6) is supported by majority of the members of the County Assembly, the Speaker of the County Assembly shall promptly deliver the resolution to the Governor, and the Governor shall dismiss the County Executive Committee member. Honorable members, having not obtained a majority vote of the members of the County Assembly of Kisii on the removal from office of the County Executive Committee member, CECM, Public Service, County Administration, Public Participation, and Office of the Governor, Dr. Alfred Ndemo Ongera stands not removed from office.
Ababwatani aoni bagendete wesokia na kwegerera umwana omunyaruka ase ekiombe kya Trufena initiative ekibono kyabete kiombe kya chagetigu abugoro ase bono barachi kugendera kwegerera umwana omunyaruka na kwene kibuna nkobasira bale ase njeremo gocha ase eyende.
Samarita nkoro kuibon mugire nchilongo actress igega Gusii bantu bangi mono bamanyite muno mwanji Trufena tukoriga rero twachirega with my friends na chi organizations twajibatirega kuwa partners launch initiative na chagire group Mr. Rubena initiative ye nanye chagite sai na rumu chandoro se binyoro byaito na chitiko kora community dialogue kanyoro kwamba abantu bare kinyoro gali abana abaiseke abasubaji babwata mu chando go access sanitary towels karora rende sai rima ete bantu babere batatu igati kambale tamo so that to support abana abaito to support abasubaji abakinyoro gali batibe gwetera challenges yeyo
twasangare kana gasenye njiyo kunyoro mwane nyaruka na singi njuko kwana amangana ari kinyaruka kikonyara gwetera sensemo ye konyera rangi yawe kira y'umutinyi etwacha gusiro yo bintu turben oyo chaka program yo konyara bakonya abana sensemo ikauti ito ya gusi nige ntekenene na nige tukia muhimu asensemo abantu bonse asikinyoro gosikiro umuntu ase familia tunyara gukwana ngene ntutike ko ombi nga erangile gento kiabose gose nigento kigute singi chaba ntabange ngutera bare amangana makongo iroka abana kinyaruka n'abasubati igo toko tema gose baninga ekinyori kigima gose kiro umuntu tigate ki responsibility yo chamo go support gose gokonya abana kinyaruka n'abana na engakeri bakororera ngiye aho muti nane tuteme gose mani ase binyoro ase chinka ingitubwende ko korekera amangana bnaya atutikire
one sanitary towel, one mentorship, one girl at a time. Thank you.
Togotigara ase ensemeyo yogosira omwana omunyaruka nigo ekiombe kya Nyaboke initiative boigoro obgyabetege kora etaro yabo wika ase eskuru ya secondary ya Nyonsia ase babete bakoro obosemi gochasa abana banyaruka unabwente kwirinda kibocheno anene ase amatuko aria aboyo mutinyi ekero aikire Mosakyo ito Julie Kirbo noroboto rasenjira yo wikran
Neri tukori neneriare ryogo chengero bochenu bwabasubati gose World Health Ministry and Hygiene Day asensingima abwase kiombe kya Nyaboke initiative gyakore taro yaye gwikase skuru ya secondary ya Nyosia iryokorwa semi bunu mwana munyaruka abweneto kwerenda no gwetanga kurwa samaroire.
Today being the World Menstrual Day, we are happy that we had this activity from a Nyaboke group initiative of charity.
Actually, this initiative is only 2 weeks old. The thought of it struck my mind 2 weeks ago. I conquered my fear. I said, let me do it. And friends, as you can see, people came through and it has happened.
Nonya nabonigo mwana mumurate birimaiga kubwati umwana munyaruka kurigererwa mono nige kyombe kyo boigo kenyoro umwana mumurase skuru yo asoko bachitishu na boigo gosaba abana bamura kurigererwa mono.
We not only offered the sanitary towels to the ladies, we also factored in the men. They are not left aside. Yeah, so we are so happy that this is a success.
As especially we are forgotten behind when girls are being given their sanitary towels. As boys we are not given anything, but this time around we are happy that we have been given at least a tissue. Now we can use it.
So while I was mobilizing my friends and few people here and there to help me with the funds. I said, let me do something for the boys. We factored in the tissues and we brought something for them.
Boigo nigo bairari bagerio gosemia abanabo igoro ya maroire ne chinchera baraitange kurwa samaroire kubwati gotamanya gwekegori egeke.
Between age 14 to 22 or 25, they are not aware of these sexually transmitted infections, sexually transmitted diseases, and we know at their age so many things happen between them. So as we move around passing knowledge, we want these people to know what are these STIs, what are these risk factors, what are these complications that may arise when they engage themselves maybe in such activities. And so it's good to create awareness to them, let them grow knowing in mind that this thing is good, this thing is bad.
Ukwana no mochaki bwe kyombeke Ivet Nyaboke ni gasaba barai ne chiskuru a gutwara bosemi buno bwo buchasaba na bonsi eryokoba omoyo.
To the leaders, to save the boy child, I would wish the schools to prepare something of this kind frequently, not only about menstrual hygiene or anything, like to just motivate the students and staff.
Nigo mwarimu monene abarimu n'aborokigu bairari bagerio na guakera ikyombe kyumbuya. Nigo mwarimu monene abarimu n'aborokigu bairari bagerio no gwakire kiombe kiombuya mono asoko batarira ase skuru eyo na kuba obosemi obo.
I want to take this opportunity to salute on this great team, the Nyaboke initiative, on what they have done today to our school. Indeed, it has taken a lot of time to remember the vulnerable in the society. Normally, the girl child is remembered, but today, the boy child has been remembered as the endangered species in our society. Thank you for what you have brought today on the World Menstrual Day.
We appreciate for all things they have done for us. They have taught us good things. We appreciate that whatever they are doing to us, to do to the other communities.
Gingo ripoti regeta seni Kiandizi TV Eritarian Julie Kerubo.
Togotigana na yo na goska motwe nigo monyakirego bwechibesa asebunge enene ndindi nyoro nigo litukori rero akwaneire igoro yoroboti rwechibesa ro mwaka o 2024-2025 asindinde ateruna tibago chigwa kaisiko omoroberi obokorwa endagera goche ase chiskuru asikiri ateniga abakenya bange babaire bawesoke na kwemurunganiria ogwa kwaisiko ko moroberi yo asebono eserekali yegure ekirero kyabo.
I want to assure the people of Kenya that the Budget and Appropriations Committee, in consultation with the entire Parliament led by the Department for Education, and in consultation with the Executive, there is an issue that has been of very great concern to Kenyans about school feeding program. And I want to assure Kenyans that you have already considered so far monies that will be going into NACONEC to advance the cause of school-going children in areas that they need support in terms of food. And therefore, school feeding program is there. We have provided for the money, and it will continue uninterrupted. In the first phase, we will be proposing around 3 billion Kenya shillings into the fund, as also we look at the strengthening its supply chains so that we continue also to enhance that budget. So school feeding program is
Eserikali ni gobono yabikire ensemo chibese jo chirachi ko konya ase okobalika abalimu ba JSS gose be chiskuru che secondary choboroso abo bagenderete ase omogiro bokolengana numubunge okiharundi ndinyoro oyobo igoro monyakerogo ase bunge ase kyombekere geteneta mangana ye chibesa ni gatebiru na ni gobono abalimu abo babeire bakora emirime emiya ase bono eserikali erachi kobalika ase permanent.
There are many of our brothers and sisters who are currently under internship in our JSS and other areas within the education sector. I also want to clarify and make it very clear that the Budget and Appropriations Committee, again consulting with the relevant departments and education department in Parliament, that we have provided resources for the confirmation of JSS interns into permanent and pensionable terms. We do this because they have already done a great job so far. Of course, with very little pay, it is only fair that we treat our brothers and sisters who are current interns in a manner that they have also treated our country with a lot of respect, and that is why we thought it is important that we consider the monies for the JSS teachers.
Omanchu murire aigana ngoikera omweru wa mangana maya senchera yobwenge gendera kuri tasene Kiandizi TV eribweseme naboigo kwemanya amange ereteriane Dorcas Kimuma twara oburigerero buya Kiandizi TV nabo bwanso bomoguse nayigo twabwatira na nerepeta mukeira oyolego kwa nekinga marigene chibicha awikire asenchera yobwekirano nere lidemose onekinga okumanyire gwetira asenchera yebimanyiriro.